What up, guys? Let's get started right in this video. This is COD World at War. Make sure to leave a like. It's right down there. Alright, let's get started. Cole's playing right now. Get ready. Alright. Cole, get the guy in the corner. I would throw a nade so they all run away. Nade! Oh, there's a PPSH. Pick it up, dude. That's a really good gun, remember? The PPSH. Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? Oh, PPSH. Nice. Oh, man. Are you still alive? Oh, you're in the water. Cool. The water. Objective complete. Woo! Whoa!
The Battle of Peleliu finally came to an end in November 1944. 3 bitter
Alright,
months after it
new
was
objective
established,
complete.
when we
We're
should-
starting a new objective.
The airfield became a vital asset in the campaign. One new station there are the crews of the U.S. Navy Black Cats. Men who would risk everything before they would leave any of us in enemy waters. Yeah, I see him. Landry, open up comms. Major Code, vessels
Alright,
above
cool,
visual
go.
range.
Oh,
this gun is
please.
so good.
Destruction fleet.
Wait, do I?
Designation unknown.
Don't, that's your friend, that's your friend.
Okay,
that's your
okay.
friend.
Wait, am I in a? Oh, I'm in a helicopter.
Targets?
Oh, nice. Wait, try and do a 360. See if you can go around.
I can't.
Oh, man.
Roger that. Lockwood, lock.
Can you go
Check
up?
your station. Stop picking targets.
Oh, X to switch to the bow turn. Yeah, do it. Bow turn is better. Oh, yeah, look at that gun. Fire, RB2 cannon. Kill them. Those are bad guys. Those are bad guys.
I
Ah.
want to press X to switch the RB2 cannon. Shoot,
Okay.
shoot. Okay.
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 Take it to the other cannon. Go.
Oh yeah.
Keep it up. Going in for another run. Echo that. Engine number 1 is smoking. We got smoke.
Come on, Cole, you got this, bruh.
Shoot. Can't see the guy.
Go. Oh no, go to the other cannon. Survive. X to switch to the right turn. I would do it.
Tell me what Missile got him. He's okay.
Oh man.
Ship doing with that much firepower. That must be some pretty important cargo they're carrying. We need to get below the flag. I can't line up the piece of shot.
Either.
Checkpoint reach. Oh, checkpoint reach, guys. If you want to leave a like, it'll be down there.
We can do this.
Oh.
Too risky.
Taking her down low.
Oh no, that's fine.
Lockwood, keep on them. Get out those damn spotlights.
I can't. Oh, that was right
Beast.
next to me.
Go, 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 go. There's a guy right down there.
Where?
He's shooting at you right there.
Oh. Oh my god. Right
There.
I just
There we go. Just clean it up, Cole. Clean it up. Clean up the mess. Oh my gosh, that thing's just fully cleaned up. Go to the other turn. There's no more. I think. Oh no,
Checkpoint
there is
reach.
this. There is more. Checkpoint reach.
Take us as close as we can.
There's nothing.
Now wrap this up. This is
X,
all
X.
fast.
Oh yeah. Cleared out. I think those are already dead.
I think they're still alive. They're still alive.
Clean it up.
Clean it all up, Cole. Do your chores.
Do your chores. Let's clean up.
Oh man.
Clean the rest up. Son. Look at the water.
I think you have to switch. I think. Okay.
Yep.
They're down here. Get some altitude. Head back to base.
Checkpoint reach.
Yeah, buddy.
Confirmed, Hammerhead. You got smoke coming from your number 2 engine. Oh, hell. Captain, distress call coming in. The fleet's been hit en route to Okinawa. Air support's too far out. At least one infantry transport ship has already gone down. Okay. Lock. Seal the ventral hatch. Moving
Squish.
down on the ocean. Let's go get our man.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's what?
I'm gonna squish him. Squish, squish, squish.
Dude, stop.
Oh.
Do I have to shoot?
Yeah, you have to shoot those.
Just shoot.
Oh, yeah, just like that.
How do you?
Just keep on shooting like that.
Okay. Or is there a ship over
Oh, that's a bad guy ship, I think. No, that's good guy. I think those little planes are bad guys.
there?
Those little planes are bad guys. Yeah. But where are they? Oh, there's little planes. Oh, it's coming straight at you. Oh,
Oh, he broke the window.
Don't worry. Oh man, that's kind of bad because then you'll be easier to get shot at. Oh, you knocked down the whole window. Oh, they're coming at you, bro.
Is that bad or good?
That's bad.
But I can shoot easier.
Yeah. They can catch.
Okay, people. The fleet still needs our help. Anyone want to back out? Didn't think so. Going into hot zone. I want everyone sharp and ready for anything. Bastards wiped out most of our ships.
Holy shit! You think anyone's gonna be alive down there?
Oh, I see multiple casualties in the water.
Shit! Poor bastards.
Better not be the only ones responding
What
to the distress call. We ain't got room for all of them. Taking us down.
Okay, that's good shit.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to wrap it up. Hope
Alright.
you enjoyed this video.
Leave a like and bye.
Bye.